Hello everybody. It's not as nice a day as yesterday, but I thought I'd come down to the beach. I needed to get out of the house for a walk in the fresh air. Hope everybody had a good Christmas day. I did. I spent it with family. We had a nice kind of buffet thing on Christmas Day because we went out for a meal on Christmas Eve, which was really nice. So I'm going to get across that bridgey and go for a walk on the beach. There aren't that many people here today, it's very peaceful. I'll show you where I am. Like I said, I just wanted to get out for a walk. It's maybe not Christmas overindulgence, but certainly ate enough. Whew. Got some nice stuff for Christmas, mostly gift vouchers and things. I mean, I don't need stuff. Got everything I need in my little flat. I don't need things. But at least with a gift voucher or two, I can perhaps, if I see something, I'll get it. It's cool today, not cold. It's cool. A lot of birds over there. So I thought I would just take you for a little walk with me. I can't remember the last time I was down here, you know that, this part of the beach anyway. Can't remember. Hardly a soul about, just a few people walking dogs on this side. Well, to quote Obi-Wan Kenobi, I have the high ground. Really is something, isn't it? Very conscious of my footing at the moment. I don't want to move too much. As you can see, I'm up quite high, and my feet are on top of a large sand dune, so yeah. That's pretty. Now somebody's going to come across a random kitty cat and wonder where that came from. Wing! Let's go this way, we get a view of the sea. You want to see this place in the summer, it is absolutely hoaching with folk. In case anybody's wondering where it is, I mean, I can tell you, it's not where I live, so it's not giving away my own location. It's a place called Lossiemouth on the northeast coast of Scotland. Quite a pretty little town actually, I must admit. Waves are fair coming in, it looks like there's people on, is it surfboards, paddle boards? I can't tell. Not from this distance anyway. This would be the point where he's not looking where he was going and trips over a chunk of driftwood or something. Oh, somebody's dogs. Look at that. Few folkies about, but not that many. I think I'll end it there and say I hope you've enjoyed watching this little video, and I hope you've had a great Christmas day. Bye bye.